Hi, I'm Joshua Finn from J&H Aerospace, and this is the Foam Sweepette, because we don't have an official name for it yet. Thanks to Ross Clements, one of our contractors, for creating this airplane. I modified it a little bit because Ross is running a K40 laser, I'm running something much larger, so he had to break it all up in pieces. I've done it one piece, which makes it a little stronger. This is, like I said, it is a Sweepette. It is made from flight test foam board. We have taken a covering iron for like monocoat, and we've rounded off the edges of all of our flying surfaces. Tremendously improves the flight performance of this airplane. I've been highly critical of Foamboard chuck gliders because balsa is awesome, guys. But for those of you who insist, and I have gotten lots of requests for this, insist on a Foamboard chuck glider, let's see what we can do here. Poor Paul, he didn't sign up for that ride. Alright, let's see here.
Let's take this guy.
Don't go over there. Come back here. Or not. Oh, oopsies. We're going to put plans up online, so by the time you're watching this, there'll be a link down in the description to a set of plans for this airplane. Caleb, come here. Obviously, most of the people flying this are going to be kids. We do have a catapult hook here, so you can catapult launch the airplane. It'll require a fairly stout catapult. Now, you know how to throw this. Show the audience how to throw it. There you go. All right, let's see you do it.
Throw it. Nope.
Careful. How about you throw it this direction? Hold it correctly and throw it this direction. No, throw it this way.
Throw it towards me.
Throw it this way. There you go.
Watch. It's going to the left.
Yeah, it was starting to go to the left. Alright, so as you can see there, with a little practice, if you notice, his throws got better because Caleb's not used to that airplane, he's used to balsa wood. And so he's used to a particular throwing technique. He's, even at 4 years old, he's able to adapt to that. You get a very nice result. There you go. So, good for kids. If you like chuck gliders and are not really used to balsa wood, it's a good airplane to try. Caleb, can I have it back? Thank you. Alright, so check out the Foamboard Sweepette. We will have kits available for this with a build video and whatnot on our website once we get the structural issue dealt with. And so, we'll see you later. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.